Welcome to a Omegle video where I will be playing some random sound. So this will be the first long video I have on this. And if you'd like to see more, press that like button. And let me know if you want more Omegle videos in the future. Or let's get random. Hello, doggy. No. How's it going? What up?
Hello, how are you?
Good. Hello? How are you?
Good in yourself?
Good. What are you doing right now?
Just eating some pasta.
That's cool. What kind of pasta?
I made it on my own, so it's like lemon, balsamic, and a little bit of Gouda and some butter and oil.
That's cool. You want to see something cool?
Why is that funny? It's not that.
What do you think about that?
It sounds like Patrick, like an AI Patrick or something.
Yeah,
It is what it is. I don't know.
I know. Hey, what do you have any favorite game to play?
I like playing with balls.
That's cool. Any video games or anything?
Like other guys' balls.
Oh,
You know.
yeah, I'm well.
What?
Yosef, what yours?
Oh my god, that's such a pretty name. My name is Tukira.
Nice.
Where do you
How are you?
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
I'm not laughing about nothing.
Oh, okay, brother.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
America. Nice thing.
No, like
Your roots, your family, your region.
America. I'm born.
You're not Mexican?
No.
Bro, you're Mexican.
Whatever. Hello, bro. How are you?
Oh, oh, hi. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Tranquila, se te ve.
What are you doing right now? Guys,
Oh, bien.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So what are you up to?
Making a video.
That's nice. What are you making right now?
Trying to see what people think about these Epstein files.
Hey, can I see the video?
Well,
So
it's
far?
not ready. Like I'm
Just
putting
like a
everything
small preview. And what you got so far?
here. Let me see. We got this one right here.
Hello?
You look high, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Like
How are you?
You smoke LSD. That bitch off a shroom.
How
are you?
I'm good. What are you up to?
Where are you from?
US?
Oh, I'm just in school.
What class are you in right now?
Right now I'm in religious studies.
Nice. What are you currently studying right now?
Religious studies.
What
Yeah.
do you eat? No.
What?
What
What do you eat
subject?
for lunch?
Yeah, what'd you have for lunch? Did you have lunch yet?
Not yet.
Talmud.
Do you have marshmallows, bro?
Huh?
No, I haven't yet.